Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add Pulsechain on MetaMask. Now it's a very easy process. What you have to do is open your browser, then open your MetaMask right over here. After that, just simply click on the network section, click on add network. Now, right over here, you should be able to see Pulsechain, and if you're unable to see it, just simply search for it at the top. Now, if you're still unable to see it, just simply click on add a network manually, and then just simply search for Pulsechain network info on a new tab. So just simply search that. Now you will find this type of page over here. Just simply open any one of the articles who's giving the chain information of Pulsechain, like for example this one right over here. So if you open this article and scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see some information like this, as you can see. Now just simply copy these information. You will be able to see the same information name over here as well, like network name, RPC URL, the chain ID. The symbol will automatically appear at the bottom. Just choose that. You can also verify it right over here. Now the last URL and paste it right over here. Now click on save, and just like that, the Pulsechain has been added to your MetaMask. If you just simply go right over here and check it, you will be able to see it as well. As you can see, the Pulsechain has been added. Now there's one more way that you can try. So what you have to do is you have to just simply search for a website called Chain List. So just simply search that, then open the first link right over here and make sure that you connect with your MetaMask wallet. Choose MetaMask and connect your wallet. Now just simply search for Pulsechain, and as you can see, you will find Pulsechain. All you have to do is click on add to MetaMask, and then the pop-up will appear. And after that, all you have to do is just click on switch network or add network, and then your Pulsechain will be added. Now over here it is written switch network because I have already added Pulsechain, but for you it will be add network. So just simply click on that option and you will be good to go. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.